Hello kids, this is your mentor Neetu. We are doing chapter 7, Congruence of Triangles of class 7. So now, introduction part. In our everyday life, we encountered many objects which look identical in shape. To carry out our activities, we deal with many types of figures which have their own shape, size and position. By observing them carefully, one can easily tell whether they are of the same shape or not. हम अपनी लाइफ में बहुत सारी ऑब्जेक्ट्स देखते हैं और हम easily ऑब्जर्व करके फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं whether they are same shape or not. Okay, so when two figures are of the same shape, then we try to know whether they are of the same size or not. In order to find this, we cut the two figures and put one over the other. If they cover each other exactly, then we say that the two figures are of the same shape and same size, and these figures are called congruent figures. जब सेम शेप आ जाएगी उसके बाद हमें चेक करना है वेदर दे आर ऑफ द सेम साइज और नॉट. ओके, अगर एक फिगर दूसरी फिगर को एग्जैक्टली कवर कर लेती है, इट मीन्स they are of the same size and shape. Like our two hands, they are covering each other because they are having same size and same shape, right? So congruent means same size and same shape. Okay, so congruent figures, the word congruent means same shape and size. That means the figures given are equal in every respect in terms of shape and size. In other words, those figures which have exactly the same shape and size are said to be congruent, or if one figure is the carbon copy of the other, then they are said to be congruent. If two figures are congruent, then without bending or changing their positions, we can superimpose one figure onto the other. Okay, so that they completely cover each other. तो जो भी congruent shapes हैं, congruent figures हैं, वो क्या करेंगी, एक दूसरे को exactly cover करेंगी, right? So two plane figures are congruent if each when superimposed on the other covers it exactly. Now we extend the concept of congruence to simple geometrical figures. अब इस चैप्टर में हम बात करेंगे फिगर्स की, whether they are congruent or not. Especially we are talking about triangles, congruency of triangles. So now first I am telling you about symbol of congruence. जैसे equal to sign होता है, greater than, less than, ऐसे ही हमारे पास congruency का भी symbol है, that is this. Means equal to sign के ऊपर आप लगा देंगे S, like this. So this is the congruent sign. Like these two figures here, A1 and A2, they are of the same shape and size, so these are congruent, right? So I hope it's clear to you. It's very interesting chapter. Now congruence of line segments. When two lines are congruent, when they have the same length, जब उनकी measurement same होगी, then the lines are congruent. Two line segments like AB is 4 centimeter, CD is 4 centimeter. These are two line segments. दोनों का measurement 4 centimeter है. So these are congruent. Okay. Similarly, congruence of two angles. Two angles congruent कब होंगे, जब उनका measurement same होगा. Like here BAC angle given and QPR. Suppose their measurement is same. So what we can say? Measurement of angle BAC equals to measurement of angle QPR, or we can say angle BAC is congruent to angle QPR, right? Now congruence of circle. टू सर्कल्स कॉन्ग्रेंट कब बनेंगे, जब उनका साइज सेम होगा, और साइज सेम कब होगा, जब उनका रेडियस सेम होगा, राइट? सो टू सर्कल्स आर सेड टू बी कॉन्ग्रेंट इफ दे हैव द सेम रेडियस, लाइक C1, C2, C1 with R1, C2 with R2, their radii same, So that's why these are congruent. Now congruence of quadrilaterals. अब दो quadrilateral congruent कब होंगे? जब उनका same shape and size, means उनकी sides are same and angles are same. Okay, so two quadrilaterals are said to be congruent if they have the same shape and size, means all the corresponding sides and angles are equal. Then quadrilateral ABCD is congruent to quadrilateral PQRS. Now we are coming to congruence of triangles. So we already know that two triangles are congruent if their corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal, means 6 equalities hold good for congruence of two triangles. So now the question arises, do we need to prove the equality of all the 6 conditions for the congruence of two triangles? If less number of conditions are there, which will ensure the congruence of two triangles? So yes, there are 4 such cases. Let us see now. Consider two triangles ABC and triangle PQR. हम दो ट्रायंगल कंसिडर करते हैं ABC और PQR में. इनके बेसिस पे हम देखते हैं कि हाउ दे आर कॉन्ग्रेंट. Now we have two triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So see here, we can say ABC is congruent to PQR if angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equals to angle R, right? And we can write A is corresponding to P. जो A point है वो corresponding है P के, यानी A angle है P angle के equal. Similarly, B is corresponding to Q and C is corresponding to R, right? So we can write A corresponding to P, B corresponding to Q and C corresponding to R. Similarly, उल्टा भी हम कह सकते हैं, R is corresponding to C, Q is corresponding to B and P is corresponding to A. So in congruency, the order is very important. The order in which names of the triangles are written shows the order in which the vertices correspond. जैसे हम triangles की naming करेंगे उसके according हमें corresponding vertices मिलेंगे. Like I have written, if triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR, it means it's very clear कि A is corresponding to P है, B is corresponding to Q है and C is corresponding to R. And then we can find which sides AB is corresponding to PQ. Side AB is corresponding to side PQ, BC is corresponding to QR and AC is corresponding to PR, right? So like this we can write the naming of the sides and name of the angles. Like here, angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q and angle C equals to angle R. Now there are 4 cases for the two triangles to be congruent. So we have 4 conditions here. The first one is side, side, side. अगर two triangles given है और आपको लग रहा है कि all the 3 sides are equal to the other 3 sides of the triangle, so it means these are congruent. The first condition is SSS congruence. The second is side angle side, means 2 sides and angle between the sides. This is SAS, okay? And the third one is angle side angle, means ASA, right? And the fourth one is right angle hypotenuse, means अगर right angle triangle है तो उसमें हम RHS लगा सकते हैं, right angle hypotenuse. I am explaining to you how to check. See the case 1, side, 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 SSS congruence condition. So two triangles are congruent if the 3 sides of one triangle are respectively equal to the 3 sides of the other triangle. अगर कोई 3 sides किसी एक triangle की किसी दूसरे triangle की 3 sides के equal है, then those two triangles are congruent by SSS. ओके, सपोज हमने ABC ट्रायंगल लिया, इसकी साइड्स 4.5, BC 6, AC 5. Similarly, PQR you can see 4.5, 6 and 5. So we can see here, draw another triangle PQR with PQ 4.5, QR is 6 and RP is 5. So we have AB equal to PQ, BC equal to QR and AC equal to PR. So make a copy of triangle ABC on a tracing paper and try to cover triangle PQR with A on P, B on Q and C on R. We will observe that two triangles cover each exactly. So they will cover each other exactly. So that's why these are congruent. So what is the condition? SSS. ऐसे ही सेकेंड कंडीशन है साइड एंगल साइड, SAS congruence condition. So two triangles are congruent if the two sides and the included angle of one triangle are respectively equal to the two sides and the included angle of the other. इसको हमने SAS बोला है, इसको हमने SSA ओके या फिर ASS, ये नेमिंग नहीं दिया. वाई? बिकॉज देर इज सम रीजन. SAS इट मीन्स टू साइड्स एंड द इंक्लूडेड एंगल, जो इक्वल टू साइड्स है उनके बीच का एंगल होना चाहिए. सो वी कैन सी दिस एक्टिविटी 2. ड्रॉ ट्रायंगल ABC विद AB 4.3 सेंटीमीटर, AC 3.5 सेंटीमीटर एंड एंगल ए 60 डिग्री. हमने एक ट्रायंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट की. Okay, then draw another triangle PQR with PQ 4.3 centimeter, PR 3.5 centimeter and angle P 60 degree. अब हम देख रहे हैं कि AC equals to PR, AB equals to PQ and angle A equals to angle P. So draw a copy of triangle ABC on a tracing paper and try to cover triangle PQR with A on P, B on Q and C on R. So we will observe that two triangles cover each other exactly. तो ये दोनों ट्रायंगल एक दूसरे को exactly cover करेंगी. Okay, so that's why we always take SAS, means जो दो sides equal हम show कर रहे हैं उनके बीच का एंगल आपने लेना है. Right? So this is said to be SAS condition. Now the third one is angle side angle, ASA congruence condition. So two triangles are congruent if the two angles and the included side of one triangle are respectively equal to the two angles and the included side of the other. ASA यानी दो एंगल्स हो और वन साइड इंक्लूडेड मीन्स जिस पे दोनों एंगल्स बनेंगे. ओके, सो वी हैव फर्स्ट फिगर हियर, इट इज 60, इट इज 45 एंड दिस इज 5 सेंटीमीटर BC. So first activity, see the activity, draw triangle ABC with BC 5 centimeter, angle B 60 and angle C 45. Similarly, draw another triangle PQR with QR 5 centimeter, angle Q 60 and angle R 45 degree. So thus we have BC equal to QR, angle B equal to angle Q and angle C equals to angle R. Now draw a copy of ABC on a trace paper and try to cover triangle PQR with A on P, B on Q and C on R. So we will observe that two triangles cover each other exactly. So that's why triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR, right? So now the last condition, fourth condition, right angle hypotenuse side, RHS congruence condition. तो इसमें triangle must be right angle triangle. So two right angle triangles are congruent if hypotenuse and one side of the first triangle are respectively equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the second triangle. आपने एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल ली लाइक दिस ABC, इसमें हाइपोटेन्यूज 5 सेंटीमीटर है एंड वन साइड इज 4 सेंटीमीटर। अगर दूसरी ट्रायंगल में भी राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है और हाइपोटेन्यूज सेम है और अदर साइड सेम है, इट मीन्स दोज आर कॉन्ग्रेंट। R means right angle, H means hypotenuse and S means any one side. So, activity 4, draw triangle ABC with angle C 90 degree. Hypotenuse हमने ले लिया AB 5 centimeter and side AC 4 centimeter. Now draw another triangle PQR with angle R 90 degree. Hypotenuse PQ 5 centimeter and side PR 4 centimeter. So we have angle C equals to angle R 90 degree, hypotenuse AB equals to hypotenuse PQ and side AC equals to side PR. दोनों hypotenuse same है और one side same है. So draw a copy of triangle ABC on a tracing paper and try to cover triangle PQR with A on P, B on Q and C on R. We will observe that two triangles cover each other exactly. So that's why triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Okay, so this is RHS condition. So I am telling you once again, the first condition is SSS, side, side, side. The second condition is SAS, side, angle, side. And the third one is ASA, angle, side, angle. And the last one is RHS. Okay, so example 1 now. State the correspondence between the vertices, sides and the angles of the following pairs of congruent triangles. हमें congruent triangles given है, हमें उनकी sides का बताना है and vertices का. So first part, A part, triangle PQR congruent to triangle XYZ. It means P is corresponding to X, Q is corresponding to Y and R is corresponding to Z. Okay, so we can write it like this. So PQ equals to XY, QR equals to YZ and RP equals to ZX. You can see triangle PQR and XYZ. So from here PQ equals to XY, QR equals to YZ and PR equals to XZ. Okay, so like this you can write the sides and vertices. Now what about angle? Angle P equal to angle X, angle Q equal to angle Y and angle R equals to angle Z, right? Now similarly we have second part, triangle PQR congruent to triangle YZX. अब P किसके corresponding है इसमें? P is corresponding to Y, Q is corresponding to Z and R is corresponding to X. So how we can write it? We can draw PQR, जहाँ पे P है वहाँ पे आप Y लिखेंगे, जहाँ पे Q है वहाँ पे आप Z लिखेंगे, जहाँ पे R है वहाँ पे आप X लिखेंगे. Same position, right? Now what about sides? PQ equals to YZ, QR equals to ZX and then RP equals to XY. Now what about angles? Angle P equal to angle Y, angle Q equals to angle Z and angle R equals to angle X, right? Now we are coming to example 2. In figure 7.13, this figure, AX is the bisector of angle BAD and angle BCD. Prove that AB equal to AD. Now we have figure. अब इसमें क्या given है? AX, this line AX is the bisector of angle BAD. What's the meaning of this? पहले हमें समझना है what's the meaning of this line. AX is bisector. बाइसेक्टर का मतलब क्या होता है, टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना। मीन्स AX किसको डिवाइड कर रहा है, AX इज डिवाइडिंग BAD एंड BCD एंगल। एंगल BAD के टू पार्ट्स आ जाएंगे हमारे पास, टू इक्वल पार्ट्स, लेट इट बी 1, इट इज 2। हम इसको इक्वल से मेंशन कर देंगे, इक्वल साइन से, ओके। एंड सेम हियर BCD के भी वी आर गेटिंग टू इक्वल पार्ट्स, सो वी आर मार्किंग इट सेम मार्किंग। यू कैन एज्यूम लेट इट बी 3, लेट इट बी 4। तो 1 और 2 इक्वल है, 3 और 4 इक्वल है। वाई? बिकॉज AX इज द बाइसेक्टर, AX डिवाइड कर रहा है दोनों एंगल्स को टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में। आई होप इट्स क्लियर टू यू। सो नाउ how we can solve it? So first you will write given, what is given in the question? AX is the bisector of angle BAD and angle BCD. Therefore, BAC equals to DAC, or you can write angle 1 equals to angle 2. Similarly, BCA or DCA, angle 3 equals to angle 4. आप नेमिंग भी लिख सकते हैं और आप कुछ इसको एज्यूम भी कर सकते हैं, ओके। सो 1 इक्वल टू 2, 3 इक्वल टू 4, हमारे पास ये गिवन है। व्हाट टू प्रूव, हमें लाना क्या है, हमें शो करना है कि AB इक्वल टू AD, यानी AB और AD साइड्स क्या हैं, इक्वल हैं। सो वी नो अबाउट कॉन्ग्रुएंसी ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स, तो हम इसमें ट्रायंगल्स ले लेंगे। कौन कौन सी ट्रायंगल? Triangle ABC and triangle ADC. So to prove, what will you write? In triangle ABC and triangle ADC, हम जो भी दो ट्रायंगल ले रहे हैं हमें लिखना है, we have to write in which triangle we are showing the congruency, okay? So in triangle ABC and triangle ADC, अब आपके पास कंडीशन है SSS, फर्स्ट कंडीशन। देखो इसमें वी डोंट नो अबाउट द साइड्स, सो SSS इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल। द सेकेंड इज SAS, टू साइड्स एंड वन एंगल, वी डोंट नो अबाउट द साइड्स, सो सेकेंड कंडीशन इज ऑल्सो नॉट एप्लीकेबल। नाउ द थर्ड वन इज एंगल साइड एंगल, टू एंगल्स एंड वन साइड, ओके। सो लेट अस फाइंड आउट यहाँ पे एप्लीकेबल है या नहीं है। सो लेट्स सी, हियर वी हैव 1 इक्वल टू 2, और यू कैन राइट BAC इक्वल्स टू DAC, इट इज गिवन। हमें हर एक स्टेटमेंट का रीजन देना है, ओके। विदाउट रीजन क्वेश्चन इज इनकम्प्लीट, उसमें मार्क्स डिडक्ट हो जाते हैं। सो वी हैव टू गिव द रीजन फॉर ईच स्टेटमेंट। सो एंगल BAC इक्वल टू एंगल DAC, वाई? गिवन, और यू कैन राइट एंगल 1 इक्वल्स टू एंगल 2 बिकॉज इट इज गिवन। एंड द सेकेंड एंगल पेयर, that is 3 equals to 4, or you can write angle BCA equals to angle DCA, it is also given, right? Now अब आप देखेंगे जो AC है, AC is coming in both the triangles, यानी दोनों ट्रायंगल की एक साइड सेम है AC, so AC equals to AC हम क्या लिखेंगे, कॉमन, जो दोनों में है मीन्स कॉमन पार्ट। So what will you write? Common. Okay. So we have two angles and one side. It means triangles are congruent. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle ADC, and write the reason by which congruence condition, by angle side angle. Okay. और जब हम congruency prove कर देते हैं उसके बाद क्या होता है, ऑल द पार्ट्स, ऑल द कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट्स आर इक्वल। इट मीन्स AB साइड है ABC की और AD साइड है ADC की, तो ये साइड्स भी क्या हो जाएंगी, इक्वल। ये साइड भी क्या हो जाएगी, इक्वल। जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स हैं दोज आर इक्वल। सो AB इक्वल टू AD by CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangles। जो बाकी बचेंगे पार्ट्स congruent triangles के, ऑटोमेटिकली दे आर सेम, तो उसके लिए हम क्या लिखते हैं, by CPCT। ओके, इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, आई होप इट्स क्लियर टू यू। Now exercise 7, question number 1. State the condition of congruence in each of the following case. like A part. अब A part में आप देख सकते हैं we have two triangles ADC and triangle ADC and triangle ABC. अब हमें उन्होंने पार्ट्स तो गिवन है, हमें फाइंड करना है विच कंडीशन इज एप्लीकेबल ओवर हियर. तो आप देखेंगे कि दिस मार्किंग इज सेम, इट मीन्स दीज टू एंगल आर सेम, लेट इट बी 1 and 2. ओके, and AD equal to AB also it is given. So one pair of side equal, one pair of angle equal. तो एक साइड हो गई, एक एंगल पेयर हो गया. and AC is also same. AC is common, like in the last question I told you, AC is common. So one more side equal, it means by which condition? This is by SAS, क्योंकि जो एंगल है, एंगल भी क्या है, दोनों साइड्स के बीच में है, इंक्लूडेड है. सो हेयर विच कंडीशन? SAS, राइट. सिमिलरली यू कैन चेक बी पार्ट. बी पार्ट देखो आपको मार्किंग दे रखी है. मार्किंग का मतलब क्या है कि दिस पार्ट इक्वल टू दिस पार्ट. अब इसमें भी टू ट्रायंगल्स हैं. फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल AOC एंड द सेकेंड ट्रायंगल BOD. ओके, आप देखो विच पार्ट्स आर इक्वल. OC इक्वल्स टू OD, ये क्या बन गई, साइड, राइट. देन AO इक्वल्स टू BO, दिस इज ऑल्सो साइड. अब थर्ड साइड का तो हमें पता ही नहीं है, AC और BD का भी डोंट नो. सो कैन वी फाइंड एनी एंगल ओवर हियर? सो यस, यू नो दिस पेयर, this pair is equal. Why? These angles are equal. Why? Because these are which type of angle? These are vertically opposite angle. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, vertically opposite angle. यहाँ पे आप क्या रीजन देंगे? Given. यहाँ पे भी क्या देंगे? Same reason, given. So what we are finding? We are finding two sides and the included angle. So which condition? SAS. So by SAS these triangles are congruent. Okay, तो आपको find करना है like this. Similarly now second question, triangle ABC and triangle PQR are two congruent triangles. State the corresponding part which is congruent to given sides or angles of the following. Means A is corresponding to P, B is corresponding to Q, तो angle B equals to angle Q. C is corresponding to R, so angle C equals to angle R, and angle R equals to angle C. ठीक है, ऐसे अब आपने CA देखना है. CA, C is corresponding to R and A is corresponding to P, so RP. यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? RP. BC is corresponding to QR because B is corresponding to Q and C is corresponding to R. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? BC का QR, right? And then PQ, P is corresponding to A and Q is corresponding to B, so it is AB. Okay, it's very easy. आपने बस इस नेमिंग से ही आपने फाइंड आउट कर लेना है विच पॉइंट इज कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग टू विच पॉइंट and which side is corresponding to which side. Okay, so now the third question, in this figure 7.15, AX bisects angle BAC as well as angle BDC. Similarly we have done the example, is triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD? So this is same as example I told you. You know very well how to do it. Now the fourth question, in this given figure 7.16, PL is perpendicular. This is the perpendicular sign, you know very well. PL is perpendicular to OB and PM is perpendicular to OA such that PL equals to PM. यानी ये दोनों perpendiculars क्या हैं? Equal. Perpendicular का मतलब क्या होता है? They are making 90 degree. Okay, altitude. So now is triangle PLO congruent to triangle PMO and give reason in support of your answer. तो आप क्या लिखेंगे? In triangle, I am telling you in short, in triangle PLO and triangle PMO. अब आप देखो which three parts are equal. हमें given है PL equals to PM. It is given. Write the reason. It is given. This is first part. The second part, angle equal है, angle L equals to angle M because each 90 degree. देखो इसमें SSS is not applicable because we don't know about the other sides, है ना? और one angle is 90 degree and one pair of sides equal given. अब कुछ और equal है इसमें, can we see? Yes, this OP इन दोनों में है, so OP equals to OP common part, so this is common. Now find out which condition is applicable. यहाँ पे two sides and one angle, तो यहाँ पे S से S भी हो सकता है और RHS भी. Why RHS? Because these are right angle triangle. So first think about RHS. देखते हैं 90 डिग्री है, ठीक है. RHS में हाइपोटेन्यूज इक्वल होता है. So what is the hypotenuse of triangle PLO? OP. OP is the hypotenuse of both the triangles. तो hypotenuse equal है and one side PL and PM equal है. So which condition is applicable over here? Here RHS, right angle hypotenuse and one side. So yes, triangles are congruent by RHS. Okay. So now fifth one, PQ and XY intersect at O such that PO equals to OQ and angle P equals to angle Q. Prove that triangle POX is congruent to triangle QOY. अब आपको one pair of angles equal है and one pair of sides equal है, यानी हमारे पास S है, A है. तो यहाँ पे कंडीशन S से S भी हो सकती है और AS A भी हो सकती है, right? So let's see triangle POX in triangle POX and triangle QOY. So which parts are equal? जो पहले given है वो लिख दो. Angle P equals to angle Q, given, right? Then OP equals to OQ, it is also given. अब any other side equal, PX or YQ we don't know about these, and XO OY we don't know about these. So what we can find? Can we see anything equal? Yes, these angles are equal because these are vertically opposite angle. So angle 1 equal to angle 2, or you can say angle POX equals to angle QOY because these are vertically opposite angle. तो आपके पास क्या कंडीशन आ गई? दो एंगल्स इक्वल हो गए और वन साइड, सो एंगल साइड एंगल. सो यस, triangles are congruent by ASA condition. Okay, so like this you can do. You can try 6 question also yourself. Question number 7. In figure 7.19, AD bisects angle A and AD is perpendicular to BC. Perpendicular means making 90 degree, right? So is triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC? So let's check. आप लेंगे triangle ADB and triangle ADC. अब आप जो पहले given parts हैं वो देखो. It is given AD bisects angle A. It means these two angles are same. So angle 1 equal to angle 2 given. And let it be 3. It is 4. एंगल 3 इक्वल्स टू एंगल 4, ये भी क्या हो गए, दोनों 90 डिग्री हो गए. सो दीज आर ऑल्सो सेम, ईच 90 डिग्री. अब आप सोच सकते हैं कि दीज आर राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल, तो इसमें RHS एप्लीकेबल है? नो, बिकॉज वी डोंट नो अबाउट द हाइपोटेन्यूज. यहाँ पे हमें साइड्स के बारे में नहीं पता, सो वी कांट टेक इट हियर RHS. Okay, so now two angles equal and one side AD is in both the triangles, so AD equals to AD common. तो आपके पास 3 parts equal आ गए, angle, 2 angles and 1 side, angle, side, angle. So yes, triangles are congruent by ASA congruency. Okay, and then they are saying B part state the condition of congruency, so ASA. I hope it's clear to you. These are very interesting questions. Now we are doing question number 8. In figure 7.20, PQ is perpendicular to BA and PR is perpendicular to BC such that PQ equals to PR. Show that BP bisect angle ABC. हमें शो करना है कि these two parts are equal. तो अगर ये दोनों triangles congruent हो जाएंगी तो automatically these corresponding parts would be same. So we are showing whether these two triangles are congruent or not. तो हम क्या लेंगे, in triangle PBQ and triangle PBR. अब इसमें कौन कौन से पार्ट्स इक्वल हैं? Here it is given perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90 degree. So angle Q equals to angle R, each 90 degree. अब देखो इसमें एंगल 90 आ गया है तो हमारे माइंड में क्या आएगा, RHS एप्लीकेबल है या नहीं है. सो लेट्स सी. एंड वन पेयर PQ sides equal, PQ equals to PR. It is given in the question. Given. So can we see any other angle equal? No. Any other side equal? Yes. BP equals to BP. ये क्या हो जाएगा हमारा common part. So we can see here two sides and one angle, but angle is 90. एंगल 90 है और BP क्या है, BP इन दोनों ट्रायंगल का हाइपोटेन्यूज है. सो हाइपोटेन्यूज सेम एंड वन साइड सेम. ओके, इन दीज टू ट्रायंगल्स हाइपोटेन्यूज इज सेम, राइट एंगल तो है ही एंड वन साइड इक्वल. सो दीज टू ट्रायंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. ट्रायंगल PBQ is congruent to triangle PBR by RHS congruency. By which condition? By RHS. और congruency के बाद क्या होगा, corresponding parts would be same. तो ये जो part है angle QBP equals to angle PBR. Angle QBP equals to angle PBR यानी CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. जब ये दोनों एंगल्स इक्वल हो जाएंगे इसका मतलब क्या है, यस, BP bisects angle QBR, right? So it's very easy and interesting. Similarly, you can try question number 9 and 10 on your own. Now summary here. The figures having same shape and size are called congruent figures. The area and perimeter of two congruent figures are equal. Two triangles are congruent if three parts of a triangle are equal to corresponding three parts of the other triangle. There are four criteria of congruency of triangle, namely SSS, SAS, ASA and RHS. SAS, side angle side congruence criteria, states that if two sides and included angle of a triangle are equal to the corresponding two sides and the included angle of another triangle. then the two triangles are congruent. Same here, ASA means angle side angle. Congruence criteria states that if two angles and included side of a triangle are equal to the corresponding two angles and a side of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent, right? Now we are coming to MCQs. You can try these three questions yourself. Now here is Mind Booster also, one activity. You can try this one also. And thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day. Take care.